Prototyping is all about getting the ideas out of our heads and making them real as quickly as possible. Particularly when we're working in a team, it's also a great way of creating alignment, because by making them real, we very quickly see what each of us has in our heads. We can get it out on paper and we can create alignment around our ideas. Prototyping is not about validating our ideas or trying to prove that they're right. It's actually about learning as quickly as we can. And we do that by making those ideas real using a variety of different techniques, getting those ideas in front of real people and getting feedback. And so when those ideas change and evolve, we should see that as a good thing. There are lots of ways to prototype. You can create physical things. This is obviously great for products, but it's also good for creating physical touch points or representations within a process. You can create a press release. This is great for helping to focus on which elements will be the most exciting to your users. Role play, any human interaction element of a service or process. You can use video and watch back with your team. Graphical user interface or GUI. This is great for apps or software. Create a process map to show the steps in a new process or system. Storyboard. This is our favorite starting point regardless of the solution type. Storyboards help us to clearly see how our user experiences our solution and the benefit it creates for them. And finally, user journey maps. For more detail, create a journey map. This is what you may have done in field research to illustrate the current state, but now showing the future state that you imagine. Regardless of which approach you use, the most important thing is to get your prototype into the hands of real users as quickly as possible, particularly before you start to form too much emotional attachment to your idea. Once you've got that feedback, focus on what you need to change or improve and quickly create an iteration of your idea. The idea is to keep that iterative loop going as quickly as possible. A few tips. Prototype single elements of your idea, not necessarily the whole thing, and use methods that are appropriate for that element. Identify and test individual assumptions inherent in your ideas about what users will want or be willing to do. Keep it rough and ready. Don't try and make it perfect at this point. And finally, iterate quickly. Get some feedback, turn it into a new prototype right away so that you can continue the process. Good luck.